Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you the working of Resistance Temperature Detector, that is RTD. It is used for temperature measurement. It consists of resisting element, electrical leads, resisting measuring instrument. Resistance element is of platinum wound on insulating ceramic former. Resistance wire is free from mechanical stresses. Resistance wire have positive temperature coefficient. RTD is connected to one arm of Wisdom bridge network. Initially, this is balanced condition, that is R1 upon R2 is equal to R3 upon R4. R1 is resistance of RTD, R2, R3, R4 are fixed resistance. When resistance thermometer is subjected to temperature variation, Wheatstone bridge get unbalanced. This causes change in output voltage. This change in voltage is function of temperature to be measured. The deflection can be directly calibrated to get temperature. The unknown temperature is given here. RT is resistance of wire at temperature T. R0 is resistance of wire 0 degrees Celsius. R100 is resistance of wire at 100 degrees Celsius.